You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A name originally from French. In French, for reference, it's pronounced as Clorinde. If you're here to learn more about how to pronounce Genshin Impact character names, I think that's what made this name famous. Make sure to stay tuned because we've got loads here. Clorinde. So in English, Clorinde. 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 Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.